Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in one more video we are going to learn here how we can display data in scatter format, in dot format, and how we can analyze the data by using Seaborn library of Python. So as in previous videos we have learned how we can create the object of these three: Seaborn, PyPlot and pandas. Similarly we created object in this video also, and here I am using iris dataset. This is famous dataset, easily available on internet. You can download it, or you can also download from the Kaggle website and from the GitHub also. Just load the data and you run this one. It will display top 5 records, and these top 5 records are there. Now we will analyze the data in scatter format by using this. So here I have used the x coordinate is simple sepal length cm field and then petal length cm field. So I'm using this petal and sepal. These two fields I'm using. You can take anyone, but I'm taking length. Data set is iris, and if I display this, data will be displayed in dot format, in a scatter format, and you can easily visualize your data, how this data is going on. But one thing is that if we want to analyze the data in terms of species, means the types of species are there and how these are visualized under this x and y coordinates. So we can take hue as a species and style also as a species, because it will give color also. Same, if I run this again, you will see the data in different format, but here according to the hue species. So in the basis of hue, this x and y coordinates are displayed. So we can easily analyze species. So we can easily analyze that three types of species are available in this record, and these three types of species is going like this. We have analysis, and different colors are available to analyze all three species. And so this way you can analyze the data using a scatter plot function, and it's very simple. You have seen that we have analyzed the iris data set. You can analyze any other data set using Seaborn library. Thank you for watching my video. That's all in this video.